We have, since we'll talk about energy transition, we have a company called Energy Dome, which does massive grid-scale long-term energy storage. We're talking hundreds of megawatt hours, tens of megawatts, so really grid-grade energy storage, and we'll discuss why that's necessary, I assume, in a few minutes. We invest in a company that does recycling of rare earths, amongst other things, and lithium, by the way, inside of the lithium-ion batteries. We have a company that that manages. We have obviously solar power companies. We have a company that improves the sewage systems, which is a big issue of pollution, and also water treatment is a major issue. So I mean, those are the sort of stuffs. We have another company that does novel batteries just because batteries are going to be one of the big issues, I think, of the coming decade. So yeah.